How to add items to Amazon wishlist. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add items to Amazon wishlist, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now adding items to Amazon wishlist is very simple. Open up Amazon over here, and here you can see a couple of details here and there over here, right? So basically what happens here is that you just come to this tab, and here you can see your list. So I have created a custom wish list because Amazon does not give you wish list by default, but you can create a custom list. So under the your list, just go to see all and then just try to create a new list by tapping the plus icon and giving this list a name. Once you give this list a name after you create a custom list, now whenever you're trying to shop for something on Amazon over here, right, so you basically select anything here, you can simply add this to your list. So right here you should be able to see all this. You can simply select add to list option here and choose to add this to a list that you have created, or you can also choose to create a list and name it wish list, as I said. So this way you should be able to add Amazon items to wish list. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.